doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties. Now that Georgia Bloom is back on the shelf, I remember why I took her off the shelf. It's the hair color. I absolutely love her face, but with this peach hair, I just need a little something extra. And then I remembered I felt the same way about our Barbie Extra dolls, Fiona and Phoebe, until I gave them dark roots. So that's what I'm gonna do real fast. I'm using a fabric marker. I used a black marker on my Barbie Extra dolls, but for Georgia, we're gonna go with brown. So far, I haven't had any problems with the colors transferring onto the doll, but I'm still gonna take some precautions. So I'm gonna take a little tape and put it at the hairline. Then begin coloring. I colored down the part. I let it sit overnight before handling and wait for the recommended time before washing. And now Georgia, who I like to call Gigi, has some nice dark roots. I think it's fun to add little custom changes to the dolls just to personalize them a little. Give me a second, I need to set up my Barbie Extra room. Just gotta put the floor in place and straighten up a little. Ready to take a look at new Barbie Extra dolls. I bought both dolls on Amazon for $24.99 each. Here is Barbie Extra doll number 19 and number 20. The packaging has changed. They traded the little icon with the confetti inside for a star, showcasing the pet. Personally, I'd rather have the icon. No shade. Sorry, I just have strong feelings about Barbie Extra pets. I would not be upset if they were, replaced with miniature Barbies. Just saying. The back of the box now shows pictures of the doll rather than illustrations. Doll 20 is a curvy Barbie with light bluey purplish hair. She wears pink butterfly hair accessories, flower earrings, has the cutest little Barbie necklace. Wait, since they've changed the packaging, have they changed the earrings? Can they be removed? Not without some work. She has a pink chain necklace, a plastic scrunchie on one arm, and a butterfly hand accessory on the other. She comes wearing an oversized sweater, which I love. I think this is the big selling point for this doll. It does have these large plastic buttons. I might remove those. The sweater is finished all the way around. Oh, and she has another bracelet. It's pink. I didn't see that one. She has a green and white floral tank top, wears shorts with pockets, and pink glitter cowboy boots. They totally remind me of neon cowboys on Instagram. She has a yellow to pink ombre bag, lavender sunglasses, and a giant pet koala with glasses. These look more like stuffed animals rather than Barbie pets, so that's what I use them for. But I would much rather have home decor items. Just saying. Oh yeah, and she comes with stickers. Doll number 19 is on a classic body with giant platform boots, so she does appear taller. She has brown and pink hair with a hint of purple, wears a metallic silver headband. She has purple eyebrows and flame eyeshadow. Freckles, they are a little shiny. Yeah, there's a lot going on there. She has two necklaces, one a metallic silver, the other orange. She wears a crop hoodie with large sleeves and lots of little decals on the front, paired with a high-waisted plaid skirt, green belt, a silver bracelet on one arm, and 4 bracelets on the other. She comes with an alien purse, green glasses, a panda with a guitar, and more stickers. I like the hoodie and the skirt, so I will be adding those items to my doll wardrobe. Now let's go out into the wild and look for some deals. I'm thinking Ross. Roll the cell phone footage. I was on Instagram and You So Unique Loves Dolls showed us some amazing finds at Ross. Those little jewelry boxes that we've been buying on Amazon that look like couches. Look at that. I just found 2 chairs and right below it is the sofa. The sofa is $9.99 and the chair is $7.99.
Yeah. And look at these jewelry stands. I think we could use them as clothing racks. It's $9.99. Yeah, let's see what it looks like in the dollhouse. Just spotted an OMG Queen for $12.99. Barbie Extra doll number 9, also at $12.99. And some inexpensive Barbies for about $5.99. Here's the same face sculpt at $5.99 in a little sparkly dress. The twins for $11.99? Okay, I better get out of here. There's just too much.
So, I bought the couch. There is storage underneath with a mirror. I also got the chair. It also has storage underneath with a mirror, and it's a great size for the dolls. I actually picked this up for my mom, who is getting back into dolls after being gone for a minute. Welcome back, Mommy. So I thought we would hook her up with some adult doll collecting basics. Let's move our Barbie Extra room back so we can have more space. So if you are just getting into doll collecting or getting back into it, these are my must-haves. Number 1, a doll. It doesn't have to be expensive. You can start wherever you are, with a thrift store rescue or even a doll from a discount department store, like Ross. This doll was $5.99. It has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. I prefer this doll over a swim doll because it doesn't have painted on fashion. It comes with a dress, has a pretty nice face screening, and a pair of shoes. At the same price, we found this doll for $5.99 with a more casual look and little jelly sandals. If you plan on taking pictures of your dolls mainly just standing and wearing fashion, then this will totally work. But if you want a little more posability, then welcome to the world of Made to Move. These are about $16.99 regularly priced. You can find them on sale for less, and sometimes you can find them a little more. They have a lot more joints. We have movement at the head, the upper arm, the shoulder, the elbow, a double joint there. Move at the wrist, the chest, the hip, the upper thigh, and the knee, and the ankle. For me, they're pretty easy to find at like Target and on Amazon. You can take it a step further and replace their heads. This is a little light customizing that gives you the option of making a mini. A doll that can represent you in the Miniverse. However, it doesn't have to look like you. It's your mini world. Do whatever you want. Now let's pop off some heads. Off with their heads! Warning, customizing your dolls can possibly ruin your dolls forever. You have been warned. Once you find a head that matches the Made to Move body, I place the dolls in a plastic bag head first, take a cup of hot water, and place the dolls' heads inside. While waiting, is there anything we can do with this Barbie Extra packaging? Oh, this little insert thing is totally a bookmark or a stencil. They should be ready now. The warmth of the water has softened their heads, so we can just pull them off. There we go. 1 off, 2 off. Oh, I've taken that one off before. And now we're gonna just put the new head on. Then dip her hair in the hot water. I quickly comb it down to get the head sculpt that you want with more articulation. Must have number 2, a doll space. We can create one with foam board like we did with this room, or poster board like our little bookstore scene. We use scrapbook paper and printables to create the background. It's very easy and doesn't take up a lot of space. We've even cut pictures out of magazines to create backdrops. You can use cardboard, canvas, paint, pretty much whatever you have. My personal favorite is wood. I get these wood panels from the Dollar Tree. They are $3 each and they come in a couple of different sizes. I'm using a 12 by 12 square for the floor and 2 11 by 14 inch panels for the walls. I'm using quick dry tacky glue to glue them together. I put the base down first, apply glue along the back edge, then one of the 11 by 14 inch panels. Glue on the other panel to make a simple wooden corner room. Each piece was $3, so this cost me $9. I cut 2 pieces of leftover wood for baseboards. This is optional. Let's paint the walls. My mom said taupe. I tried to convince her to go with peacock, but she said no. Paint the strips white. Let's add scrapbook paper for the floor. Glue down the white strips to make a wooden corner room that is just big enough for taking doll photos. We can add a few furniture pieces like the chair or the sofa. Let's add a plant, a picture frame from the dollar store with some Toya original art because it's for my mommy and she will love it. I'm using a little blue tack just in case she wants to change it. I found this candle holder at the dollar store. I'm going to turn it over and use it as a table. Add a rug, add a few books, and maybe a throw pillow or 2 to create a small diorama for photos. Must have number 3, light. Tell her to put it by a window, and you're done. Ooh, I wonder who that could be. Mail! Dream Ella Extra Iconic. This is my first Dream Ella doll. I just had to check it out. This doll was $14.99. I bought it on Amazon. Her name is Yasmin. I love the box art, but we're here for the dolls. Or the clothes. This doll comes with curly hair. It's brown with a little purple in it. It is styled into 2 pigtails, painted edges. She wears a little scarf, which I actually think is cute. It velcros in the back. She comes wearing a blue quilted jacket with a faux zipper. I like the jacket. Underneath, she wears what looks like a sports bra with purple elastic. It says Dream Ella on it. She has a purple skirt with a little zipper detail down the front. I like that. No pockets, these are stitch details. The top and skirt velcro in the back. She wears high socks with an iridescent print, a little purple stripe at the top, and platform shoes. She comes with earrings that are designed to be removed. Can we get those in her ears? Yeah, we can. They are a gold color with a little print on the bottom. She has a gold colored necklace and a lavender purse with a silver painted buckle. This doll can move at the head, the shoulder, no elbow articulation, move at the hip, and has a slight bend at the knee. What about the ankle? No. Dream Ella Extra Iconic is made by MGA, the same company that brought us Rainbow High. Yeah, I've been having fun with the fabric markers. And this doll is giving some pretty nice detailed clothing at $14.99. And I wonder if other dolls can fit her clothes. Come on, Madison. Might as well let you give it a try. Yay! And I promise never to try to overthrow you again. Time for Does the Fit Fit? Hey, that's my line. Oh yeah, sorry. Pretty much everything fits. The scarf is a little large, but we can make it work. The classic Barbie body is a little smaller than a Dream Ella's. However, this outfit still works. Barbie does have smaller feet, but with the socks, the shoes stay on. At $14.99, I could totally see me checking out the other dolls for their fashion. So wow, we did a lot of stuff today. We colored doll hair, took a look at Barbie Extra, Dream Ella Extra Iconic. Wow, extra is a popular word. Did a little hunting for fun finds, and talked about doll collecting 101. You know, random doll stuff. Thank you for joining us for another random doll stuff video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.